Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome back Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decor ideas. So guys, please watch this video to end. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about different styles, different color combination and different sizes cake design from this video. All the cake designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love my cake designs. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you enjoy my video, the most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new to my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. And watch this video to end. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of art, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love my cake designs. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas specific design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you're new to my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful, cake showcase flower celebration. I am sure cake decor ideas from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. If you want to see more make party decor ideas, cake decor ideas or another celebration, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Comment and tell me which designs or which video you like most. Let me know in the comment where you watch my video from. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.